You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this dog breed, originally bred in Germany. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing dog breed names many get wrong. Stay tuned. Weimaraner is how it's said in English. Now, in German, it'd be said more as Weimaraner. Weimaraner. So, yeah, but in English it is admitted to be pronounced as Weimaraner. And now, you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.